Hi, in this video, I'm going to unbox and give you a quick review of the Corsair K55 RGB keyboard. So this keyboard is for gaming. So I just purchased it. You can get them for around $40 to $50 online. So let's see what's inside this box here. I'm just going to open it. So this one here is facing upside down. So I'm just going to turn it over and have a look at the top. So that is the keyboard. So when you are getting this keyboard, it is wrapped inside this plastic right here. So that's the keyboard right here. And I'm just going to open it. So that's the keyboard right there. And you got the cables. It's got a USB Type A plug. And underneath that, what do you get? So there is a wrist rest as well that come with this keyboard. And then you got a warranty guide over here. And that's pretty much it inside this keyboard box. So I'm just going to put that to the side. And I'm just going to unwrap this one as well. Let's take it out and have a look at this one right here. Just going to zoom in and we can have a look at this. And here is the keyboard itself. So it's got the RGB colors underneath the keys. So we're just going to plug it in and have a look. Now at a $50 price point, this is not a mechanical keyboard. It uses a rubber membrane pad underneath. So what it looks like, let's take out one of the key and have a quick look. So I'm just going to try to pull out the key and we can have a look. So that's the key right there. And let's take a look underneath. So you can see there is a rubber, and if I were to push it down, you can see it's responded by me pushing down the key. So very much similar to this. So I just got this one cut off from a different keyboard. So you basically push down the keys and that one just squeezes down. So it's very similar to this one. This is coming off from another gaming keyboard that has been damaged. So this works exactly the same way. It basically have a rubber pad underneath. When you press on the key, then it will respond. So not a mechanical keyboard. Now there are some functions on this keyboard. It got a micro button. These micro buttons allow you to assign functions to the side key here. There are 6 keys on the left hand side, and say if you want to perform a specific functions, you can just press on this one here. Quite useful if you are using Photoshops, or even when playing games, you want to activate a certain things, then you can just press on the key. Instead of doing many things, you can just press on that one single key and it will bring up that function for you. So you can record the functions by using this macro key. So there's no software. All you have to do is just press on that button and it will work for you. There's also a brightness button over here in the middle. So if I just press on that, that will change the brightness of the keyboard. So I can switch it off. As you can see, just switching off the light, and we can change the lighting. So that's your switch off, and then that's your switch on, and then that's going to be brighter and more brighter. So 3 functions, 3 different brightness. So we can have it off, then bright, brighter, and brighter. And so we can use that. This button here, there's also a window lock key. You can press on that to lock the windows. You got the volume key, a dedicated volume key at the top corner here. Volume, no volume. You got lower key and a higher key. Then you got the multimedia keys down here, the stop and play and forward. And then you got the number pads down here, and all your standard functions over here. What's also important is about the keys. When you're typing on the keys, we also want to feel how comfortable it is to type on the keys. So let's have a look, or let's have a listen to the key. When we press on the key, it is feeling very steady. Every single keystroke, it is very steady. The key doesn't actually move about quite a lot. When you're pressing it, it is quite steady. Although this is a $50 keyboard compared to, say, a $10 keyboard, then this is a lot better. So you can listen to the sound when I put the microphone next to the keyboard. Also, you can have up to 8 key anti-ghosting. So if you need to press a lot of the keys at the same time to perform some functions, then you can do so. So this one have up to 8 keys anti-ghosting. Okay, with the background illumination color, there is a function key with the top row numbers here. If you press on the function key with number 1 or 2 or 3, you have a different colors, and there is three different zones. You got the left, the middle, and the right. So depending on which keys you press with the function keys, the keyboard colors changes accordingly. So you can go all the way from 1 to the last key here, the plus or minus. So I'm just going to turn off the light so you can have a look at the function key. So by pressing down the function key with number 1, so number 1 right here, so I can press the function key down here with number 1, then number 2. So that's number 2. You got different color. So you got yellow, cyan, and purple. And if you want to change the color, you press the function key in number 3. Then you can press the number 4. So that's the different color for number 4. Then you got number 5. Then number 6. And number 7 will be turn off the color. And we got number 8. So the 8 will be just all red. And then you got number 9. So you can see the with number 9, the colors rotate or cycle around. Now it's go to blue, then you got yellow, and then it's cycle to cyan. So you got number 9, then you got 0. So you can see with function 0, the color changes slowly from one color to another. Then you got the minus, which is kind of like breaks the keyboard down to different zones with different colors and cycle through different colors. And then you got the rainbow color. So you press on the plus key, the function in the plus key, and the colors shift from one side to another in a rainbow color, in a rainbow format. And that's it. So you can see this is the keyboard here. I'm just going to turn on the lights again. Now there is also a wrist rest that you can hook it in. There's a clip down here that you can just hook it in like so. So you can just basically clip it in so it doesn't slide away. You can use it if you want. I'm not sure if it's going to help unless you're going to type a lot. It might not help. It might just be in your way. You might not want to use it, but it's there. You can use it if you wanted to. It is a nice keyboard. It is a little bit of an improvement over to the old keyboard. This is the old keyboard here that I've got. The keys kind of not steady. When I press it, I can feel the keys shift a little bit. And you can see this old keyboard here is very low. So all the keys over here is quite low, and on the new keyboards, the keys are higher. So you can see the keys are higher on this one, and it's more steadier to type on this keyboard. So that's it. So that is the keyboards right there. So the back here, this is the back of the keyboard. So that's a Corsair keyboard K55 with an RGB background colors. You can get them online for around $50. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.